I am Quan Yin, holding the palms open. We opened, we close. I am Quan Yin. Remember the little systems, the little changes, the changes in your eating habits, the embracing of your joy, the bringing laughter into every moment, the flowing and letting go. You are becoming more fluid. You are becoming more bubbly. You are becoming more joyous. Let that joy come through. Do not worry about the fears. Face the fears with joy. If you cannot face them alone, don't worry. We are with you. You are not alone. Bring me with my 1,000 arms to embrace you, to embrace all your little concerns. I have plenty of palm space to hold them and transform them. I have plenty of arms to love you. Beloved ones, I am with you. I am Quan Yin. Closing tonight on this new moon, allow yourself to take a moment to feel reasons to celebrate. The greatest reason is that you are here and you are awakening. I am Quan Yin. I reflect this back to you from the garden with joy. I am Quan Yin. Tone now, holding the palms open and receiving your sisters and brothers in the flowers and their vibrations that are always with you. Do not forget to use your vibrational medicines, your essential oils, your flower vibrations. I am Quan Yin. Opening the palms, let the light in. And your intentions have woven together, creating a beautiful garden, connecting with the flowers. These intentions come together. They flow, and you know in your heart that you are whole, that you are joy, that you are one. Take your palms and hold them together now, feeling the resonance and the vibration in them. Not touching them, simply keeping them slightly apart and feeling the vibration within, the vibrations all around you. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Let the light in.